So resuming with Skype, up here along the top you have some options. One is to phone me and one is to try to do a video chat with me. And it's a little picture of like a video camera or a phone, okay? So let's press the video. Okay, then what it's doing is it's actually trying to call me, and I'm being called on my line over there, which I can't do both of these things at once. So, but I'm just showing you that it's pretty easy to initiate a call on Skype. Okay, I'm actually just getting a notification. I'm filming this with one of my iPads, and I just got a notification that you tried to call me on Skype, which is pretty cool. So anyway, that's how easy it can actually be to use Skype. We're going back home, okay, and again, we're on our initial screen, and remember the kind of things we have on here, okay? We have that little microphone, which you can use to search the web and also to tell your tablet to do things. We have Skype as the second thing. We have Netflix. When I set you up an account, we have YouTube. And then we have Dropbox. Okay, Dropbox, as I told you about, is a place where you can store files and things. And I've got some really nice little surprises for you in there, which I'm going to let you open up the box when by pressing this little icon, and you'll see what I've got in there for you when you do. Over here is a camera, and you can use this to take photos and also video, just like I'm doing now. I'm actually using my iPad to film this, okay? And then just as a reminder, you have down here contacts, email, calendar, internet, and settings, okay? Now you can also search the internet just by using this little bar down here where it says Google, and this little you can use the voice commands to search the internet. So let's try the voice commands for the internet. Find cheap cruises. Look, here's, I don't know if you can see this, but here's internet results. It's like cruises cheap, cheapcruises.com. Okay, so it'll take you to the internet, just like you're used to. Okay, and here's stuff about the cheap cruises. Okay, all right, so let's go home. Now, this up here that says talk, that's another application that you can use to chat. This isn't going to be video, but I put myself in there and you could use this to chat with me. And here again, instead of typing, you can actually use the microphone. Go, put your finger where it says type, and then it'll bring up the keyboard. Okay, and then here is looks like a little black microphone. Press that. Hi Jody, this is your dad, period. How are you doing, question mark. I don't know if you can see that, but it actually typed it. Hi Jody, this is your dad. Oops, now it's typing it again. That's funny. It's a pretty good at this. Now, you hit that little arrow, and then it'll send it to me. It's saying Jody is offline, but the message will be delivered when she's back online. Okay, so that's something you can use for chatting with me, Dad. Okay, and that was the talk. It says looks like a little balloon that says talk. Now let's swipe. Okay, we swiped, and I've got some more applications on here for you. And I'll tell you about those in the next part.